Hey guys, it is Julie here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we are discussing the latest SPAC merger announcement in the EV world, and that is with EVgo. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Like I said, today we are going to look through the details of the latest SPAC merger between an EV charging company, EVgo, and SPAC company, Climate Change Crisis Real Impact Acquisition. Now, right off the get-go, the ticker of that SPAC is CLII. And you can see that upon news of this merger, the stock has basically doubled and is now over $21 per share. So hopefully we see that cool off a bit next week, but we know everyone is really excited about anything EV related. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at the details of this reverse merger and a closer look at what EVgo does. And just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to check out some of the great links in our description. Right now, Webull is giving away 4 free stocks for signing up and funding a new investment account, so make sure to check them out. Now let's start off with what exactly EVgo does. Now they focus on electric vehicle fast charging, so charging in minutes instead of hours. Their customers say they have the best reliability and that EVgo is the only brand that consistently works, has accurate information about the station on the app, and actually charges the car as quickly as it claims to. EVgo is the nation's largest public electric vehicle fast charging network with more than 800 fast charging locations in 67 metropolitan areas. EVgo provides EV fast chargers to commercial, retail, state and local government, fleets, and other businesses. And they also power rideshare, car share, autonomous, and government fleets, among others. Now, when it comes to charging an electric vehicle, there are different levels for these stations as far as how quickly they can actually charge those batteries. With level 1 charging, you can charge up to about 2 miles in half an hour. With level 2 charging, about 10 miles in half an hour. And with the DC fast charging, you can get 90 to 120 miles within 20 to 30 minutes. The company was established in 2010 and have supported the large and rapidly growing EV market for their corporate-owned and operated stations, consistently earning top consumer scores on PlugShare. Their EVgo fast chargers are compatible with all fast charge capable EV models currently on the market, including Tesla models S, 3, X, and Y with the CHAdeMO adapter. Now, we actually mentioned EVgo a few weeks ago in our GM video, as the company just entered in a contract with EVgo to expand their charging network. And they will be adding about 2,750 DC fast chargers with that contract with GM. Now that is on top of their already 1,400 DC chargers that serve over 220,000 customers across 34 states. The company already has $300 billion of OEM commitments, and we're seeing more government commitments to shift towards zero emission, with 12 million EVs in fleets committed by 2040. EVgo currently owns the largest U.S. public DC fast charging network, and DC fast charging needs are expected to increase from about 5% currently to over 40% by 2040. Now, as far as the financial details of this SPAC merger go, this deal between EVgo and Climate Change Crisis Real Impact Acquisition Corp will value the electric vehicle charging station provider at about $2.6 billion. The deal is expected to provide EVgo with about $575 million in net cash proceeds, including $400 million from investors such as Pacific Investment Management Co., BlackRock Inc., and Wellington Management. If everything goes as planned, the merger is expected to close by the second quarter of 2021, and the ticker will change over to EVGO. Hearing from Kathy Zoid, the Chief Executive Officer of EVgo, she said just a few years ago, electric vehicles were considered niche. Today, improved technology, lower costs, greater selection, and a better appreciation for the performance of EVs is increasingly making them the vehicle technology of choice. With that, the need for fast charging is on the rise. An estimated 30% of Americans do not have access to at-home charging, and EVs will be increasingly deployed by fleets to transport goods and people in an environmentally friendly way. Time is precious for all of us, so a public fast charging option with an expanding footprint like EVgo is essential to meet the rapidly growing needs of EV drivers of all types. So another very exciting EV company to be coming to the market via a SPAC merger. Now, like I said, the stock price did shoot up upon this news, so hopefully we'll see that calm down a little bit and have a bit of a more attractive entry price. But we know there has been a lot of excitement surrounding the EV market lately. Keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. Always ensure that you are doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. Now, you guys know that I always love hearing from you, so make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you think about this latest SPAC, and what other EV-related companies are catching your eye lately? If you made it all the way to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and cheers.